ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯚꯔꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ
2001 unless and until order of the Supreme Court to carry out
that jointly by CPIM, CPI, aduga NPP na tawriba ngasigi hariba sigi joint political party ki meeting asida ayamba Manipur ki political parties goina lai kanoda except koigi INC ga BJP natana atai di loina lai aduda masi ayamba convene torisi andak Supreme Court ta tagiba order abidi within 3 months ki manungda kano tolaba kari kano se delimitation se within a period of 3 months from nasai date tagi bisida tawgiba sigi ka mari leinana abisida kano gi koigi CSO mayam aduga from different kano de party degi masi matang reaction taw kholakpa si koi khanaraga masida koi all political parties meeting ama tawba darka oy tawraga maduda resolution ama pass tawraga haibase jointly koi thengnabana chungani haibagi wakalonda adumain tawna convene tawba meeting ni ada meeting asida different connection koi party gi maru oiba leaders na magi opinion mayam ama express tawrai adu based on that koi tasingna kanose asi is a resolution manga koi manga gawi Amber resolution that no delimitation till the rectification of the errors in the census of 2001. Masi tawdri bawda delimitation tawdaba haina masi matang da delimitation tawgani haina tormal matang da 2001 gi census ki matang da chumdaba adu kari haini masi da oithokpa yaba yadaba mayam ama nainagren maduda base ogani mainly base oga adudani asigi koina loriba resolution si ani subada to make representation to the central government by all the parties in Manipur to defer the delimitation in Manipur till 2026 when national delimitation will be conducted with the new census figures. I did 2026 step cannot all of nation gi se adu gi delimitation tawgani en tawche madudo en tawview I be aduma masi central government da all political party ki koi site gi man dona adu mama appeal ma tawsi I be gi resolution next step kanote da huji laiba Manipur gi conflict situation chi yengaga adu hariba ngasai delimitation si tobu kande da anoba maongi anoba factor da base tawga conflict ama su tolpu yabagi aduna badugumi difficulties mayam lebisna kanoto basi delimitation tawse will not be feasible and admai dona koina resolution amaga lawi aduga mathang da aiba koi all political parties na pulaga kanoto to join as intervener in the ongoing legal proceeding in the Supreme Court. Hana tahiba order si Supreme Court tharakpa case amagi matang tarakpane masidi da ayamba koi kanusi respondency sida interested party yauk debagi aidi full presentation tau debagi mong si koi feel tawi aduna masidi da tasengna lairiba Manipur gi all political party na su intervene tawbagi daka oiraga what are the actual facts masi lakadaba problem mayam leibase masi punamakse khangnaba masi punamakse haiba matter mayam se Supreme Court na madu consider tawna idmata koi su intervening any party when join tawba haiba sima ka resolution time aduga loina na masi kanoda ngasigi meeting se lakadaba party sinju to request them to join the next meeting aduga nasagi koina mathakta logriba resolution-singdo madusu moida endorse tobiu haibagi adu mai request ama tausi haina adugi resolution ama su taki aroibada sub committee ama ko form torga haiba koi resolution mayamsi into action when it talk about adugi tanba yanabagi adugi sub committee ama form togi okay sub committee dudi kanada masle consist hoisi ai lere ko yumnam joy kumar aduga ketrimim santa mane convener ogani adagi nongthombam singajit aduga oinam nabakishor aduga tingnam bishunat matangda salam joy ai bisina ne service sub committee am torga masai resolution me amse masida effective hoinaba amana to baina lanmai to resolution tagi moina moigi site ge karino habdi kana to express ami adida ai bedu moina satri mamangda karadi ai be point me amse tasto ngang ngale gi bani adu moi tasena habda moigi di clear cut over adu kana di opinion di tormde moina hai bu sidida thola ga to take everyone together I think moigi interest ke su yenga adu gi tobina bagi adu mai mong da hairame adu I think all political parties endorse their request in the sense that should tap moigi ju ko na ton bu to bu na ta na maki ga kaidana ba to do adu gi that's see the mainly to see ko na hai si sina hai se ngasai 2001 gi census lagi errors में हम तो मधु सुबथोपा अदु सुबथोपा is that it's not at that kind of self opinion तो तो नहीं based on call say for example kind of कहते हैं आधार बेस आधार लिंक में बात करें मधु तो बुद्धि इनका मतलब most they will also agree because that will not be in anybody's interest नहीं make kind of तो नहीं अदु नहीं इनका मतलब they will also endorse it